All right, guys, I see some people in here. So I do apologize for being late. I know we're like 15 minutes late going live. We had a break before this. Somebody bought a ton of teams, and then he didn't pay, so it took forever to try to, weed through that and then try to sell off some teams. So for everybody that paid on time and is ready to go, I appreciate that. Thank you. We have what you see right here. We have 6 hanger boxes of the brand new 2020 Prizm football here. So these hangers are the ones with the red ice prisms. They're pretty sweet looking. So hopefully we pull some fire. Now, there were 3 teams that everything did sell in our auctions, but there were 3 teams that didn't pay. So I do have teams available if anybody's interested. So we've got, all right, Rihanna, you got first dibs. I've got the Steelers, I've got the 49ers, and I've got Dolphins. So I know Dolphins is going to garner some interest, and so should the Steelers and the Niners, actually. So the Dolphins went for $60 and change. The Steelers went for $24 and change. And the Niners went for $15 and change. So let's see, that'd be 84. That'd be about $100 for all of them. So Rihanna, if you want them all, we can do $80 for Steelers, Dolphins, and Niners. And if that's too high, then I'll go to Anderson and see if he wants Dolphins. So Rihanna, since you asked first, I'll kick it to you. $80 for Dolphins. Okay, you want Steelers? So let's do 25 on the Steelers. You okay with that? I understand. So you okay with 25? All right, so go ahead and send payment to all right, so you know where to send the payment to, Rihanna. Just send $25 there, and we'll add that. Rihanna. Anderson, if you want the Niners, we can do $15. Do you have a team in the break? If you have a team in the break, we will ship it for free. We'll just add it. So that's to you, Anderson. Okay. Trying to pull up my... So Anderson, if you'll send $15 to this email, that I'm going to drop in the comments, send $15 through PayPal to that email. It'll come up as Jason when you go to send it. That's us. Yep, no problem. We'll give you a second. So guys, I still have Dolphins. I see 9 people in here. It went for over $60, so let's do Dolphins for 55. Shipped. Any takers? I hear you, Ron. This Prizm stuff doesn't go cheap, man. All right. All right, guys, this is as low as I'm going to go. Dolphins for 45 ship. Any takers? Nobody wants them for 45. We'll keep them. All right. Okay, Anderson, I've got you. And Rihanna, I have you. Thank you. So, Anderson. Anders Gar, gotcha. Okay, Ryan, you want them for 45? Okay. All right, Ryan, so I'll drop my PayPal ID in here again. So Ryan, if you send that, let me know when you send it, and you can have the Dolphins. So if you've been in breaks before, it seems like, I don't know why this is, but it seems like when somebody doesn't pay, somebody else picks up the team, there tends to be some good stuff in there. Now, I can't promise anything, of course, but I've seen it happen more than once where somebody ended up not paying, and at the end of the break, they probably wish they did. Okay, Ryan, I got it. So everybody's paid up. Thanks, everybody. Ryan, we're good. Anderson, we're good. Rihanna, we're good. All right, so I'm going to go through a roll call, and then we will start breaking. So let's see. I've got... all right. So we've got... It did. Anderson. Okay, Anderson. I've got Anderson has the Giants and the 49ers. Cody Mast has the Bengals. Dan McGreen has the Packers. Darren Velov has Vikings. Ryan Eppard has the Dolphins and the Eagles. Don Skadzum has the Cowboys. George Fuller has Chiefs. Jack Hazard has the Bills. Jeremy Edwards has Lions and Jaguars. Keith Gorski has Chargers. Rihanna has the Steelers. Paul Mandeville has Broncos, Jets, and Redskins. Robert Corsaro has the Colts. Ron Grudane has the Raiders. Sterling McBride has the Falcons. And Tiberius Sims Cato Has Browns, Seahawks, Ravens, Panthers, Texans, Bucks, Titans, Rams, Patriots, Saints, Cardinals, and Bears. So, all right, that's the roll call. All teams are paid. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate you guys picking up those extra teams, and hopefully we pull something nice for you. So, I will say the checklist for the Prizm is a lot longer. There's a lot more players in it. So when you hit something, it is a lot harder to come by than some of these other products. Like the Mosaic, they're really nice, but you know, there's not that many players in the checklist, so it's a lot easier to hit. This Prizm is a little tougher. So it is definitely more fulfilling when you hit. So let's see. Let's see what we get. All right, guys. Good luck, everybody. If I can get the pack open. Should be fun. All right, here we go. Josh Norman, Bills. Juju Smith-Schuster, Steelers. Stephon Gilmore, Patriots. Laramie Tunsil, Texans. Marquise Hollywood Brown to the Ravens. Michael Gallup, Cowboys. Malcolm Butler, Titans. Dexter Lawrence, Giants. Travis Kelce, Chiefs. Russell Wilson, Seahawks. Nice base card there. Ricky Jackson, Saints. Josh Reynolds, Rams. Jacob Eason, rookie card. Oh, that's cool. So this is, I don't know what they call it, but it's like a black and white look. So it's some type of parallel. That's a cool card there to the Colts. Congrats, Colts. Now we got some Prizms here, and they're sharp looking. So here's a Zach Moss green Prizm to the Bills. Yannick Ngokwu to the Jags. My boy, man, always makes fun of me when I try to say this dude's name because I don't know how to say it, and I say it probably different every time. Austin Eckler to the Chargers. That's the red ice. Those are cool-looking Prizms. Adam Thielen, Vikings. And our Prizm rookie is A.J. Terrell for the Falcons. And then we have a Aaron Donald insert, Fireworks, for the Rams. Cool card there. And a Terrell Lewis rookie card to the Rams. So not a bad start. Hopefully things pick up a little bit, though. All right. Rookie variation. Thank you, Ryan. Appreciate that. As you can tell, I'm a professional. Not really. Josh Allen, Jags. Ken Anderson throwback. That's cool. To the Bengals. Mike Gesicki, Dolphins. Devin Bush, Steelers. Montez Sweat to the Washington football team. Charles Woodson, throwback to the Raiders. Jim McMahon, cool throwback to the Bears. DeMarcus Lawrence, Cowboys. Cortland Sutton, Broncos. Kyler Murray, Cardinals. Dante Culpepper, Vikings. Man, he was good for a few years back in the day. George Kittle, nice card to the Niners. Ooh, nice hit here for the Chiefs. All right, Chiefs. And I'm trying not to get my reflection in these cards, but it's hard not to. Whew, nice. So there's that black and white rookie variation that Ryan was telling us about. A Clyde. Let's get him on the board. Nice card. Let's get him sleeved up. Give me a sec, guys. All right. Good Clyde up there. Very nice, very nice. Colin Johnson, green Prizm. That's a rookie for the Jags. Stephon Diggs. That's the red ice Bills. Tyrod Taylor. Man, pulled a Tyrod Taylor last night, too. It's like that's not the Chargers quarterback we want. Daniil Hunter, Vikings. And Michael Ojemudia for the Broncos. I'm sorry if I butchered his name. Here's a Jalen Smith fireworks. Those are sharp cards. Those are cool. Is it a Prizm? No, I don't think so. And Marlon Davidson, rookie, in the back. Just running as fast as his legs will carry him. All right, box number 3. We found a Clyde. Still looking for one of the big quarterbacks. Ricky Williams, Dolphins. Deshaun Watson, nice base card to the Texans. Jamal Adams, Seahawks. Quentin Nelson to the Colts. Kerryon Johnson, Lions. Danny Dimes, Giants. Bradley Chubb, Broncos. Lane Johnson to the Eagles. Jalen Ramsey, Rams. Curtis Samuel, Panthers. Devin White to the Bucks. Kyle Rudolph, Vikings. Another rookie variation. So it seems like we're getting one of these per pack. Or one of these per hanger box. And that's a Jonathan Taylor to the Colts. So Colts having a decent break here. So you got your Jacob Eason and your Jonathan Taylor rookie variation. Not bad. Not bad. See what else we have in here. Oh, this looks like, is that a Prizm? Yep, it is. So here's a Laviska Shenault Jr. That's either a silver or hollow. Not sure what they call that. But it is a Prizm. So nice card there to the Jags. And our red ice, Xavier Howard, Dolphins. Philip Lindsay, Broncos. Dante Fowler Jr., Falcons. And Donovan Peoples-Jones, our rookie to the Browns. Here's a DJ Moore hype insert. It's a cool looking card. That's colorful. Nice card there to the Panthers. And Albert O to the Broncos, rookie. Okay. So normally we only hit one of those variations for every 4 or 5 boxes, huh? Okay. Sweet. Will be nice if we hit one of our big rookies. We got Clyde. That's pretty good. If we could get one of our big quarterbacks, that'd be pretty sweet. Oh, we got a nice rookie here on the back of the pack. Not a quarterback, but not bad. All right, Rihanna wants a Claypool. I hear you. Cam Newton, Patriots. Earl Thomas, Ravens. Yannick for the Jags. Odell Beckham Jr., Browns. A.J. Brown, Titans. Warren Moon, we saw 2 of him last night for the Oilers. So that'll be going to the Titans. Deshaun Jackson, Eagles. Frank Clark, Chiefs. Michael Thomas, Saints. Trey Flowers, Lions. Shaquille Barrett, Bucks. Raheem Mostert, Niners. Trey Boston, Panthers. Here's a green Sterling Shepard, Giants. Oh, there you go. So not a Chase, but a nice TJ Watt. See what happens when you pick up the extra teams? That is a cool card right there. Red Ice TJ Watt. Nice card there. Sean Lee, Red Ice to the Cowboys. Dante Fowler, again, the Red Ice this time. And Julian Okwara is our rookie to the Lions. Here's a Darius Leonard, Unstoppable insert for the Colts. And a nice rookie here at the back of our pack, DeAndre Swift. Oh, man, I thought that might have been a Prizm, but daggone it, look at this. So it comes in a hanger box, so there really shouldn't be any ding corners because nothing should be able to hit the corner of a card while it's in the hanger box. You see how they come? They're all kind of like, they should be suspended somewhat in the box and protected, but ding corner, man, right out of the box. It's a bummer. Nice card nonetheless. All right, 2 boxes left. Be nice if we could throw another nice hit on the board there. Okay, Tua and Hurts. I would like to see that myself. So I was talking to a guy. He told me, I don't know, sometimes when you talk to guys that open cards, it's kind of like fishermen where they feel the need to try to one-up each other, and they got these crazy stories, right? And every time they tell the story, it gets, like, less believable. So I was talking to a guy who said he had either a hanger like this or even the 10-card hanger, because there are 10-card hangers, and he pulled a Joe Burrow Prizm as well as a Joe Burrow materials card, like a patch card, in the same box, in the same hanger. So I don't know whether to believe him or not, guys, but it's what he told me. All right, 2 boxes left. Come on, man. Let's hit something big here. Quinnen Williams, Jets. Darius Leonard, Colts. A.J. Green, Bengals. Cole Beasley, Bills. Von Miller, Broncos. Fletcher Cox, Eagles. Darren Waller, Raiders. David Montgomery, Bears. Melvin Ingram, Chargers. Jared Goff, Rams. Keith Brooking, Falcons. Kyle Juszczyk to the Niners. Keyshawn Vaughn. Man, there's another one of those variations. Not bad. So there's a Keyshawn Vaughn rookie variation to the Bucks. So that makes 4 out of 5 boxes. Here's a LaMichael Pirine green. Nice card there to the Jets. Nice rookie. And our red ice, Kenny Stills, Texans. Danny Amendola, Lions. Kirk Cousins, Vikings. And our rookie is Jermichael Hasty to the Niners. I really do like those red ice. Ooh, nice. Nice card here. Tom Brady, Fireworks. Not bad. And Nate Stanley, rookie card in the back. All right, so the only reason I'm not top loading more cards is, like I said in the first break, I'm by myself tonight. So normally we work in teams. One of us is opening boxes and the other one's sleeving stuff up. So I will be sleeving some of these before we ship. All right, guys, last box. So hopefully our Tua or our Herbert or our Burrow is hiding in here. All right. We've got a Clyde variation. That's very nice. But we need one of our, even a Jalen or a Jordan Love, that'd be cool. We need one of our big quarterback rookie cards in this one. Ed Reed, Ravens. John Brown, Bills. Myles Garrett, Browns. Sony Michel, Patriots. Josh Jacobs, Raiders. Mitch Trubisky, Bears. Tyrod Taylor, again, Chargers. It's like they tease us, man. They keep putting him in here. Derrick Henry, Titans. It's a cool card. Sterling Shepard, Giants. Tyler Higbee, Rams. Grady Jarrett to the Falcons. Eric Armstead, Niners. Alvin Kamara, nice base card to the Saints. Ooh, nice green Josh Allen Prizm. Nice card there to the Bills. And here's another Steelers red ice. Not the one you want, Cameron Hayward. But a cool looking card nonetheless. You're not doing bad, Rihanna. Here's Dallas Goedert for the Eagles. One of their big tight ends. Fred Warner, red ice to the Niners. Ooh, nice little card here to the Eagles. So not the Jalen we necessarily are looking for, but nice rookie here to the Eagles, Jalen Reagor, the red ice. Unstoppable, Shaquille Barrett. And we got one more rookie hopefully behind him. And it's Brian Edwards for the Raiders. All right, so we'll do a little recap. Told you guys it's a lot. You know, it's you got to do a little digging to find the hits, and that's why the Prizm goes higher. That's why it's more expensive, because the hits are more valuable because they are harder to find. But so let's go through some of what we found. In no particular order, we'll go through the Prizms and a couple of the inserts here. Shaquille Barrett, we just saw him. Jalen Reagor, nice hit there to the Eagles. Most of these are the red ice Prizms. Fred Warner, Dallas Goedert, Cameron Hayward, Josh Allen, a nice Tom Brady fireworks insert. Jermichael Hasty, rookie. Kirk Cousins, Amendola, Kenny Stills, LaMichael Pirine, a nice green rookie, very fitting for the Jets. Cool looking card. Adam Thielen. So the Vikings had quite a few Prizms. Austin Eckler, Chargers. A Colin Johnson, green Prizm. Nice rookie there to the Jags. Yannick, red ice. Aaron Donald, fireworks to the Rams. AJ Terrell, rookie. DeAndre Swift. That's not a Prizm, but a nice base rookie card there for the Lions. Darius Leonard, unstoppable. Julian Okwara, rookie for the Lions. Dante Fowler, Sean Lee. A nice looking TJ Watt, red ice. Sterling Shepard to the Giants. Albert O. A DJ Moore hype. Peoples Jones. Dante Fowler. Philip Lindsay. Xavier Howard. This Laviska Shenault Jr. Prizm. Zach Moss Prizm to the Bills. Marlon Davidson. Jalen Smith fireworks to the Cowboys. Michael Ojemudia for the Broncos. Daniil Hunter, Tyrod Taylor, and Stephon Diggs. So those were our Prizms, and then we had 4 of these rookie variations. We had this Keyshawn Vaughn, that black and white look, to the Bucks, we had it. And then the Colts had two pretty good cards. So Jonathan Taylor and Jacob Eason. They're both that black and white variation. And then what has to be the hit of the night, because we didn't find any of our big QBs, is Clyde Edwards-Helaire. That rookie variation to the Chiefs. So congrats, Chiefs. Nice hit. Appreciate you guys jumping in. Appreciate your participation tonight. Hope you have fun. Yeah, Ryan, I hear you, man. So we do have more breaks scheduled for next week. It seems like the weekdays are kind of a little easier for us. So we're going to be breaking some of that playoff football, which is recently released, and it's one of those quantity breaks. So it's going to be a lot of cards. I think over 400 we're breaking on Tuesday, and then also on Wednesday. And then Tuesday, after that break, we'll have more Prizm. So we have 2 breaks on Tuesday, including the Prizm break. And then on Wednesday, we'll have playoff football and then Mosaic. So we got some nice Mosaic hangers we'll be breaking. Hopefully we can find some nice Prizms in there. So yeah, I hear you, Don. I'm sorry about that, man. But you know, we all know when you jump into a break, sometimes you have a good night, sometimes you have a disappointing night, and I've had plenty of disappointing nights. So if I knew what was going to come, I would never jump into a bad one. So appreciate you guys. Hope you had a good time. If you have any questions, shoot us a message, either through Facebook or through eBay, and we'll see you guys next time.